Start with breath, then a whisper. I am more than they remember. Voices from the past tried to tell me who I am. Every broken promise like a lock upon my chest, till I sat in silence, let devotion do the rest. I lay my worries in a circle on the floor, watch them shimmer, watch them soften into more. Every wound, every word that made me small turns to light as I forgive it all. I go beyond the name, beyond the praise, beyond the blame, beyond the numbers in a line. I touch a love that feels divine. I rise beyond the fame, beyond the goal, beyond the game. I open hands, receive the flow. I bring the Lord and stand right behind. I go. Mother's tired stories, father's fears beneath his skin. Ancient aching patterns I once thought were mine to keep. Now I see the river running quiet, running deep. Every hidden sorrow is a promise I can keep. I close my eyes and the future find its way. Hear the gentle goddess in the things I do not say. Every little heartbeat is a holy sign. I am here, I am here, I am alive. I go beyond the name, beyond the praise, beyond the blame, beyond the numbers in a line. I touch a love that feels divine. I rise beyond the fame, beyond the goal, beyond the game. I open hands, receive the flow. Abundance in my veins. I go. So slow. Sacred in my footsteps, walking through the family fire, turning every echo into quiet, bright desire. Love is my language.